Annyeonghaseyo, Yorobun. Hello everyone. A very warm welcome back to my channel. This is Ria and today's video is a little different from my other videos. Today I will be reviewing two skincare products, two Korean skincare products that I have been using for some time and I'm all gaga about it. I've loved them so much. So without further ado, let's get started. I will be reviewing these two products today. First is this one. Not sure if it's okay. So it's the Rice and Ceramide. It's the Face Shop Rice and Ceramide moisturizing emulsion. And the second thing is it's the Rice and Ceramide moisturizing cream. So these two products, I've been using them since the beginning of September, and I'm not sure if it shows, but I have finished half the bottle of this. I'm not sure if it catches on the camera, and almost half the cream. So these have become my absolute favorites right now, and I'll tell you why. So if you do not know, Face Shop is a Korean brand. It's a very prestigious brand. It's considered to be a very prestigious brand throughout the world, and it's very well known for making good quality, skincare and a few makeup items. So so I got these from Nykaa. I got these in September. I started using them right away. Why you should use them and why they are my favorites. I have gone through each and every ingredient that's mentioned, and that's one good thing, guys, that these products have mentioned the full list of ingredients that they have used in these products, which is a definitely plus for me. I mean, there are so many products that don't even mention what's in there. Like, they will mention some active ingredients but will not give the entire list. But the good news is most of the ingredients are safe for the skin, even though there are many chemicals that have been used, but they are safe for the skin. They will not cause any irritation to you. However, having said that, let me also give this disclaimer out that there are a few ingredients that have been used that might cause skin irritation. If you have sensitive skin, I would suggest do a patch test before you before you start using the product. There are Nykaa stores almost everywhere all throughout India now. You can go and check out these products there. You can do a patch test and see if it works for you, and if everything is fine, you can definitely go ahead and give it definitely start using it. The second thing is most of the ingredients that have been used have moisturizing properties on the skin. They lock in moisture, they keep your skin hydrated, and that's what makes these two products really great. There is a complete Rice and Ceramide range of Face Shop, and I have till date only used these two, but I have used other products from Face Shop and all of them are just amazing. So be rest assured, guys, these products are very good quality. Another thing I would like to let you know, these might seem a little on the expensive side, both these products. However, as I told you, I have just used this product halfway through, and I've been using it for over 2 months now, so you can easily gauge that it will last me for another 2 to 3 months easily. So thinking of it that way, these are definitely investment products, and when it comes to your skin, guys, invest on good skincare products. Go for ones that are good, that have good ingredients in them, and Korean skincare is famous the world over for making great skincare products. So that's another reason why you should use these from the Face Shop. Okay, so I can swatch it for you guys. It gets easily absorbed in the skin, and it's very moisturizing. It doesn't take long to get absorbed, and you feel really moisturized, and it gives you that plump feeling, when you have used it on your skin. So as you can see, it's completely absorbed in the skin, and it gives you that smooth feeling once you have applied it. Give it a try, guys. If these are really great for your skin. I don't have sensitive skin, and I have combination skin. They suited me very well, and as I said, I use them in my daycare and night care routines. I have very simple. I follow a very simple skin regime. So I have included these in my skincare right now, and give it a try, guys. You will love them. And as I said, these are investment products. Okay, there's another thing I'd just like to let you know. As I said, there are a few chemicals in these products that might irritate your skin if you have sensitive skin, or if you have acne prone skin, or these might cause skin irritation. So do a patch test before using them. Also, they contain paraben. If you're someone who stays away from paraben completely, then I'd just like to let you know that both these products have paraben in them. So keep that in mind when you're using them. Paraben is used in whichever products, wherever it is used. It's used as a preservative to increase the shelf life of products. So just to let you know that if you are someone who stays away from paraben products and all. So yes, so that's it for this video, guys. Let me know how you liked it, and I will be eagerly waiting to hear from you all. If you have already used it, let me know how it worked for you, if it didn't work for you. And on that note, I will take your leave. Stay happy, stay healthy. Sarang hai.